This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Google and creating a new Colab notebook. Name it so you can find it later. Once the notebook is open, change runtime type, and select the Python version and hardware accelerator you need. Next, mount your drive with a single command to access files. This lets you read datasets and save outputs persistently. Make sure to run that mounting cell and grant permission. After that, you're ready to install any required packages and begin coding. Now you write and execute cells. Type Python statements in a cell and press Shift plus Enter or click Play to run them. If your code needs extra libraries, install them inline with bang prefixed commands like pip install package = 1, 2, 3. This installs into the session quickly. For data, either upload small files through the left Files pane or access larger datasets from the mounted drive path. Once done, you can checkpoint by saving to drive and track output. Finish by saving your work. Download the notebook as IPNB or Pi and push it to your repo if you want version control. Use the share button to invite collaborators and set viewer, commenter, or editor permissions so others can run or edit. When you close the tab, the session may stop. To reproduce the environment later, reconnect the runtime and rerun the mounting and pip install cells first so data and dependencies return. If something fails, rerun sequential cells to restore state. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.